All right, let's jump right into a topic that trips up so many people in math. We're talking about two things that sound and look super similar but are actually worlds apart: expressions and equations. Seriously, once you nail this difference, a whole lot of other math concepts are going to click into place. So let's get this mastered today. So just take a look at these two. At first glance, they're practically identical, right? Both have numbers, that variable x, some basic math going on, but one of them has this tiny little symbol, just two parallel lines. That completely changes the game. So what is the real difference here? That is the big question we're going to unpack together. And to really get to the bottom of it, we're going to use an analogy you probably didn't see coming, one from that classic story of David and Goliath. This quote from right before the big showdown, it captures this perfect moment where all the preparation is done and it's time for the final outcome. Believe it or not, that idea is the perfect key for our little math mystery. So here it is, our big metaphor for today. On one side, you have David gathering his stones. This is all about the prep work. He's getting his tools ready, but nothing's happened yet. And on the other side, you have the battle itself, the main event, the action, the moment a result is declared. Just keep these two ideas in your head, the preparation and the battle. And that brings us to our first key term, the expression. See, expression is just like David gathering his stones. Think of 4x minus 7. It's a mathematical phrase, a bunch of numbers and variables hanging out together. It's a collection of parts, a set of instructions, but it doesn't actually declare anything. It's just the preparation. And then you've got the equation. This is the battle. An equation is a full-on mathematical statement. It uses that super important equal sign to say, hey, this thing on the left is perfectly balanced with this thing on the right. It's a complete thought, like 4x minus 7 equals 9. It throws down a challenge that needs to be solved, a battle that needs to be won. Okay, so let's just lay it all out side by side. An expression? That's just a phrase. It's kind of like an unfinished sentence. But an equation, because it has that equal sign, is a complete statement. It's a full sentence making a claim. That one little symbol really is everything. Let's look at another one. 8y plus 3. What do we have here? Well, it's an expression. It's just a set of parts sitting there waiting for something to happen. We can't solve it because it's not claiming to be equal to anything. The stones have been gathered, but they're still in the pouch. But watch this. The moment we add equals 11, everything changes. Bam, it's an equation. Now we have the battle. A claim has been made. 8y plus 3 is exactly the same as 11. And now we have a mission, right? Find the value of y that makes this whole thing true. The battle is officially on. So if there's one thing you take away today, it's this. That equal sign is the ultimate game changer. It's the line in the sand. It is the one thing that takes a quiet little collection of parts, the preparation, and turns it into a bold statement that demands an answer, the battle. It's probably the most powerful little symbol in all of basic algebra. All right, you ready for a little challenge? Let's see if you've got it. Take a look at this. 7 plus 2. Based on what we've just talked about, what is it? An expression or an equation? I'll give you a second to think. If you said expression, you nailed it. Awesome. And why? The rule is just that simple. There's no equal sign. 7 plus 2 is just a mathematical phrase. It's a couple of stones waiting in the pouch. No claim has been made. Okay, ready for round 2? Let's try one that's a little bit more involved. What about this guy? 5x minus 4 equals 16. Take a quick look. What's your gut telling you? Expression or equation? That's right. It's an equation. You spotted it immediately, didn't you? That equal sign is a dead giveaway. The second you see it, you know the battle is on and we've got a puzzle to solve. You know, what's really cool is how simple it is to go from one to the other. You can start with just the parts, the expression, something like 6 plus 3. Then you just make a claim about what it's worth. You add that equal sign and a result, and boom, 6 plus 3 equals 9. Just like that, you've turned your preparation into a battle. Your phrase is now a complete sentence. So when you boil it all down, it really is this simple. Expressions, they're just the parts that's David gathering his stones. Equations, they are complete statements declaring an outcome, and that is the battle itself. And the hero of this whole story, it's that little equal sign. It is the ultimate game changer. So I'll leave you with a question to chew on. In math, we know the equal sign is what turns all that potential and preparation into an actual result. So think about your own life for a second. Your job, your hobbies, your projects. What's your equal sign? What's that one single action or decision that takes all your prep work and finally turns it into a declared outcome? Kind of cool to think about, right?